Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today we are going to be trying out this cordless leaf blower. So let's get this unboxed and I'll show you what comes inside and then we're going to test it out. Everything arrives well protected. It's all in its own kind of plastic sleeve. This comes with two separate attachments, so you can make it a longer blower or a shorter blower depending on the project that you're doing. And they have the little snap closures so you don't have to worry about them easily coming apart. So that is really nice, and it's going to make it easy to take apart as well. All right, you've got the large motor, you've got the slot back here for the battery, nice large trigger, and then you even have the trigger lock right here, so you don't have to worry about holding the trigger the entire time. And it does have the base here, so if you do need to set it down, it's not going to roll over on its side. It comes with two 21-volt batteries. I love that this comes with two batteries, so when one is done, you have a backup ready to go. And then of course you get the charger for those batteries. Something handy about these batteries is they do have a battery indicator light, so you can see how much battery power is left. We've had leaf blowers in the past or other equipment that doesn't have that, and this is so handy to have so you can see how much juice is left in the tank. So you just press the button back here and the little LED light will light up on the side to tell you how much battery there is. And this does come with a little shoulder strap, so if you are doing a lot of work, you don't have to worry about holding it the entire time. This is going to be great, especially for me. My arms get tired really quick. And then last but not least, you have a handy instruction guide in case you need any information. All right, so let's go give it a try. Here's a quick listen at how it sounds so you can get an idea of how loud it is. All right, so we tried this out around our home. Now, it had been raining quite a bit the days previous to filming this, so things were still quite wet, but we were still impressed by the power that this provided and the way that it was able to clear grass and leaves and dirt around our home. So if you guys were looking for a great cordless leaf blower, this is definitely one to try out.